Welcome back to NDA mission. Okay, so we are now going to start our main syllabus of NDA. Okay, in the last videos, we have covered some questions which was of 2017 NDA. Okay, so now it's time to cover your syllabus. Okay, first of all, we will start with history. We cover history with the help of a timeline. Okay, firstly, we will understand the timeline, and after that, on the timeline, whenever the event is there, we will discuss the event, importance of event, and the time and the declination. Okay, all things we will cover. Okay, so with this, what is timeline? A timeline is a sequence of events took place in a time, means a sequence of a time. Okay, and in the timeline we discuss some important events like which having some impact in our history. Okay, so with this, let's start our past. Our past means NCERT class 6th, 7th and 8th history. Okay, our past 1, our past 2, our past 3. Okay, so with this, okay, we divide history into 3 parts: ancient, medieval and modern. Today, in today's lecture, we will discuss about ancient time. Okay, so ancient history. In ancient history, we further divide history into 3 parts, that is Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. Here lithic means stone. Okay, these all 3 ages is also known as stone ages. Okay, because at that time there were no metal discovered by man. Okay, and which was the first metal discovered by man? It was copper. It was discovered, and after that alloy of copper was used. Copper plus tin, that is bronze. Okay, so let's discuss Paleolithic age. It was a time when human appears on this earth, means he started hunting animal, started settling in the cave, means inside some large stones. Okay, he was very much frightened of the weather phenomena, that is lightning, weather changes, all were having a great impact on the mind of that type of humans. Okay, at the time Mesolithic, time improves, means whenever time is there, means you have a long time, means you are changing yourself. At the same way, evolution was there, that's why humans started acquiring something like discovery of fuel, fire, and they started settling in a one place in order to have a great life, settled life. They started settling on the bank of the river, like Indus Valley civilization, Mesopotamian civilizations. Okay, Mishra, that is Egyptian civilization, and Chinese civilization. All the civilization were developed on the bank of the river. Why so? Because a river connects one place to another place, means you can easily move from one place to another place with the help of the water transports. Okay, at that time people used to used to walk from one place to another place, that is there was no engine, there was no vehicles, that's why they used boat at that time. Okay, so in these time, Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic time, we know about the human that they started settling at the same place, and they started agriculture as their practice, and there was a great change in the climatic condition of the earth. Okay, basically human appears on 5,000 years ago on this earth. Okay, means today we are Homo sapiens and we are leading a modern life. Our life has been changed since last centuries, but it was same for years and years. Means 5 lakhs years, and then 4 lakhs year, then 3, and we reached to 0. बेसिकली जब हम बात करते हैं हिस्ट्री की, तो हिस्ट्री में जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं हिस्ट्री को पैलेलिथिक, मेसोलिथिक एंड न्यूलिथिक, दैट इज एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री को। ये वो टाइम था जब आपके पास कोई भी लिखित कोई भी एविडेंसेस आपको नहीं मिले। You just discover something, you just find something, archaeologists find something, and with the help of carbon dating they find out the age of that thing. That's all. ये टाइम वो था जिसका आपके पास कोई एविडेंस नहीं है. You just imagine what happened at that time. Okay. After that, when we move forward in our timeline, humans started settling in a single place. Means what? जब अर्थ के क्लाइमेट में चेंज आया, मीन्स अर्थ यूज टू बी अ बॉल ऑफ फायर, ओके, एंड धीरे धीरे उसके टेम्परेचर डाउन होने लगे, एटमॉस्फेयर बना, ठीक है, 5 लेयर्स ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर। इसके बाद जब एटमॉस्फेयर बना तो आप फिज़िक्स में पढ़ते हैं, आप केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ते हैं, रेडिएशन, ओके, रेडिएशन जब आती है तो with a very powerful way they came on the earth, okay, but because of layers of atmosphere it get trapped and that heat is utilized by human for different purposes, okay. इसके बाद एग्रीकल्चर स्टार्ट हुआ। एग्रीकल्चर के बाद why we settle on a single place for a long time? बिकॉज एग्रीकल्चर में जो प्रोसेस होते हैं, देयर 6 एक्टिविटीज़ इंक्लूडेड इन द एग्रीकल्चर, उन एक्टिविटीज़ को कंप्लीट होने में एक टाइम लगता है, दैट इज़ अ सीज़न, लाइक पैडी सीजन, ओके। तो इस टाइम पे क्या कर रहे थे वो लोग कि एक जंगल का एरिया साफ़ करके उसको जला के वहाँ पर खेती करते थे। दैट टाइप ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर वॉज नोन एज शिफ्टिंग कल्टिवेशन, दैट इज़ झूम खेती भी इसको बोलते हैं हम, क्योंकि ये एक जगह पर खेती करने के बाद उसको क्लीन करके फिर उसको छोड़ के नेक्स्ट टाइम पे दूसरी जगह पर जाके एग्रीकल्चर करते थे, ठीक है। तो ये वो टाइम था जब आपकी पूरी अर्थ बिल्कुल खाली थी, पॉपुलेशन वाज वेरी लेस एंड एवोल्यूशन वाज गोइंग ऑन। तो इसके बाद क्या होता है कि जब हम इन तीनों पीरियड्स को आगे बढ़ाते हैं तो देयर वाज अ टाइम for the settlement of human in the form of civilizations, okay. So world की 4 civilizations हैं जिनके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे। First is Mesopotamia, second Indus Valley civilization, third that's Greece, that is you can say, okay, you can say Greece civilization, okay, and after that Chinese civilization, okay. So Mesopotamian civilization was oldest one, okay. There you can also find some evidences of Indus Valley civilizations, okay. So all the civilization having something in common, that they were all developed on the bank of the river, okay. And one thing is more, they started using seal as to represent their dynasty and to represent their power. They started using seal, okay, and they also used seal as a currency at that time. Mesopotamia, Mesopotamia word means a place between 2 rivers, okay, Tigris and Euphrates. These 2 rivers was there like this land. This land is called Mesopotamia, okay. Then Egyptian, okay, Egyptian civilization was also very famous because of the pyramid. So just learn this, that Egyptian civilization is famous for pyramid structures, okay, and Mesopotamia is famous for their development, their their solar calendars. Okay, some mathematical discoveries were there. And after this, Indus Valley civilization. It is Indian civilization. Indus means Sindhu. Indus Valley means Sindhu Ghati Sabhyata. Okay, because it was developed on that time. So some few sites: Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Two important sites of Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so in next lecture we will discuss about Harappa and Mohenjo-daro as the base of Indus Valley civilizations. Okay, so keep revising, and one thing is that all these topic has been given in your NCERT or 6th class. Okay, so go through it and have some fact in your mind, and we will discuss question related to this in the next lecture series. Okay, so keep waiting for that and also revise. Okay, thank you.